Welcome to another addendum of the Book of Ingenuity from the Waconia Tool Factory, where we didn't write the Book of Ingenuity, but we've read it, and we're always looking to add addendums. So we have one here today. This is a pipe cleaning chore that I've been able to successfully complete. And what I have is I have a well water. Here's my well coming out of the ground. This goes to my pressure tank. From up here, I have a little piping arrangement. I've been using a whole house filter with a blow down. And basically you can open that up and blow the crud down. It helps a little bit, but I still have a lot of sediment issues. And what happens is over time, I get kind of a reddish sediment you can see from the bucket. That sediment builds up in my main supply line and causes me to lose water pressure. So I've redone this piping arrangement so that I have kind of a blow down / connector for clean out here. And I always use full port ball valves. So I ran this supply line about a year ago through this nicely refinished ceiling, and I don't want to have to break that open or run a new pipe. If I had to, I could, because I always run pipes like this in kind of a sloped, curvy, nice, easy fashion, so that if I ever had to, I could tie on a pull string and pull that old pipe out while I pull in a new one. So from here through the rafters, here's my supply line. It goes over to here, and I created a kind of a T, put a T there with a full port ball valve, and then I added a temporary little chunk of section to go outside. And here's my fish tape. So this fish tape is a kind of a wound fiber. It might even be metal inside, but it's very stiff. It's used for electrical, but I pushed the fish tape through first and then attached a wire brush to it. I bought a set of different sizes of wire brush. I did run through the first time with a very smaller brush just to make sure that I wouldn't get stuck. And that came out really well, so I'm using a bigger brush now to get the cleaning. So I'll just show you the brush on this end. So here's the fish tape, and I run the brush through here, wind it on there, and then tape it. So that way I don't have to push this brush all the way through. Probably wouldn't make it. So I push the fish tape in first, and then I tie the brush, and then pull it back. There's Otis, my inspection dog. So first time, and then, let me go back here. So what I did was I pulled the fish tape up enough to get past this valve. Then I shut this valve and opened that up and gave it a little water. So as I was pulling that, I was also pushing water to help clean out that pipe. I think that was very effective when that did that. So what I'll do is I'll do this again. And what I do is I hook up my drill to the end of the fish tape and spin it. So that way it spins the fish tape and also spins the brush. And I put a little water in there to help push it all out and clean it all out. And so far it's worked well. Hope that helps.